Good day to everyone. In this video, we are going to see about how these IGC exam registration process happen. And most of the NEBOSH exam registration process will be similar to this. So in detail, we are going to see as a video. Let's go into the video now. This is Jayaprakash from Greenwell Group. Welcome to our channel. So most of you have worried about this process and they don't know what is happening behind the process. I'm going to explain about how the process will be. So most of the NEBOSH examination will start with the registration process. Once you've done your course, you need to register for the exam. So you need some time to registration time there will be. So before your exam day, for certificate examination, mostly for the NEBOSH exams, it will happen on the first week Wednesday. It will happen. You can check the exam dates. For example, I will explain with this IGC. It will happen on the first week of every month on the Wednesday. For that, you need to register for the exam 30 to 20 days before, 20 to 30 days before your exam date. So what happens once you register for the exam? Before the exam date, you will receive a login credentials email to your registered email ID. So your mandatory thing is you have to give a registered email ID to your learning partner. That is a mandatory thing, one that should be working conditions. So your email will from NEBOSH will deliver to that. It will have a login credentials. The login credentials username and password will be there. The username will be start with 00 and it has 6-digit number after that. So total of 8 digit it will be 00 then 6 digit it will be. That is a unique number. So you need to remember that number in all future NEBOSH exams. That is your unique ID number. We call it as learner number. That is the username for the NEBOSH portal. Below that, you can find a password with alphanumeric. That is a one-time process. Once you get all these credentials, log into the exam portal. Once you log into the exam portal, it will ask for the username and password. Username, enter that 8-digit number, start with 00. Then the alphanumeric temporary password, enter over there. Then enter the portal. Once you enter, on the very first time, it will ask you to change the password. There will be two options. Either you have to enter your username or your email. Either one you have to choose. If you enter the username, I prefer enter your username. That is the 8-digit number. Enter that. Click search. Once you've done all these things, you will receive your email with password reset. You need to reset off your password from the email. Once you've done, again come to the portal. The username and login with your changed password. Keep your username as it is. It never changes. That 8-digit number, enter there and then password. Enter into the portal. You have to do before your exams. On the exam day, 11 a.m. UK time, the certificate exams will happen on that time only. 11 a.m. UK time, your portal will open up. They will release the question paper and then answer template they will give you in a Word format. You need to read out the scenario. I'm explaining for IG1 especially. You need to read out those scenario. For that, you need to type the answer in the Word template. You have only 24 hours of time. Wednesday, they will open the portal at 11 a.m. UK time. On the next day, Thursday, they will close the portal at 11 a.m. UK time. So Wednesday to Thursday, 24 hours of time. You need to type your answers in a Word. Again, you need to convert it into PDF. You can refer any Google or any website to convert as a PDF. Get a PDF file of your answers, then submit back into the portal in a given time frame. That is 24 hours of time. This is the pattern followed for IG1 exams. So you need to use the portal wisely. You will get the credentials 10 days before or 8 days before your exams. You just log in into the portal, check whether the portal is working fine or not. Change your password and enter everything you need to check. On the exam day, you will receive a question paper and template. Download that, type your answers, again submit it as a PDF file to the portal. This is the simple process for these IGC exams, especially IG1 exams. So in future, if you have any NEBOSH related queries, just post me in our comment box. We will address you based on the next videos. Thank you, and please don't forget to like, share and click the notification bell icon for further notifications. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.